Hey snack lovers, welcome back to Taste the Globe, the place where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time. Craving something a little nostalgic, sweet, and completely underrated? Welcome to the delicious world of Penuche Fudge, a melt-in-your-mouth, brown sugar treat that doesn't get nearly the love it deserves. And guess what? Today is National Penuche Fudge Day. So grab a snack, or better yet, a slab of fudge, and let's explore the buttery, nutty world of this classic American candy. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet stories every week. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Penuche Fudge? Pronounced, pay-no-chi, this fudge is made with brown sugar, butter, milk, and vanilla, sometimes with a swirl of chopped pecans or walnuts for that irresistible crunch. Unlike chocolate fudge, Penuche gets its light caramel flavor from brown sugar rather than cocoa. The result? A softer, creamier, almost maple-like fudge that feels like a hug from your grandma in candy form. And if you're from New England or parts of the southern US, chances are you've heard your grandmother or local diner sing its praises. So where did Penuche come from? The origins are a little fuzzy, just like the fudge itself, but most food historians believe Penuche dates back to the early 1900s, possibly even earlier. It was a popular homemade treat in American households before chocolate fudge became the dominant darling. You'll find variations in Italy and the Philippines as well. The Italian Penuche and the Filipino Pinocchio both involve similar caramelized sugar bases. It's said the name, Penuche, was borrowed from the Italian, panucci, though some claim it evolved regionally right here in the US back then. Desserts were about using what you had on hand, so if you didn't have chocolate, but had a brick of brown sugar and butter, you made Penuche. Alright chocolate lovers, brace yourselves, because Penuche Fudge might give your favorite treat a run for its money. Here's the difference. Chocolate fudge relies on cocoa or melted chocolate, while Penuche is all about brown sugar caramelization. That gives it a lighter color and a smoother, meltier texture. And where chocolate fudge can be rich and intense, Penuche leans buttery, nutty, and sweet without being too heavy. It's the perfect companion to a cup of coffee, or eaten right out of the fridge at midnight. We don't judge. Want to go the extra mile in honoring this sweet little square of joy? Here are a few fun ways to celebrate National Penuche Fudge Day. 1. Host a fudge tasting party, include chocolate, peanut butter, and Penuche and crown your winner. 2. Bake with family, get kids involved. It's educational and delicious. 3. Gift fudge boxes. Wrap them in cute parchment or bakery boxes for friends and coworkers. 4. Share on social media. Use hashtags like #PenucheFudgeDay or #SweetHistory to spread the love. 5. Visit local candy shops. Many traditional candy shops still make Penuche Fudge. Give them a shout out. It's all about enjoying the little things, and this caramel-kissed treat deserves the spotlight at least once a year. So there you have it, Penuche Fudge, the humble, brown sugar beauty with a rich past and a delicious present. If this video made you smile, or made you hungry, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a bite of sweet history. And let us know in the comments, have you ever tried Penuche Fudge? Do you think it beats chocolate fudge? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep life sweet. Hey snack lovers, welcome back to Taste the Globe, the place where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time.